Good morning, family. Welcome to my channel, Unrated Darkness. Make sure you share this. Very much appreciated. This gonna be a quick video. Excuse me. Make sure the bell's lit, so you'll be the first one to get it. All right. Also, check out my past live streams and videos I did. I did some powerful last night. Underrated music talk. Wednesday I did underrated music talk. Al Green last night I did Roy Ayers, one of the best vibe play keyboards, record producer, very underrated. Want y'all to check that out. Also, I did a commentary on something else before I read it, but hold on, family, hold on. Sorry about that. Doing something. Want y'all to check it out. Oh, ESPN, I just seen this not too long ago. Oh yeah, shout out to the LDPC, Lions Den boxing community. Again, look at ESPN. Man, y'all LeBron fanboys, y'all just don't stop, don't you? You just don't stop. Deontay Jones and the rest of y'all. Y'all said it's a team game, right? But why you trying to recruit players for LeBron? He even coaches Tyronn Lue. Tyronn Lue left Cleveland because he was sick. Oh, he won championship. He won championship. Okay, yeah, but yeah, you really think that LeBron was listening with Tyronn Lue? Come on, Deontay Jones. The Lakers is gonna have problem to recruit free agents. Y'all trying to make it all about LeBron, right? These players is not gonna come, cause they trying to build up their own rep. Now there are some probably want to come. I don't know, but then you talking about he need to get rid of Pelinka and Luke Walton. And I don't think that's gonna happen because Jeannie Buss is, they has family. It's considered like family. If you ask me, everything should changed. Then you're talking about Deontay Jones and the rest of y'all. Bring Griffin. The general manager used to be at Cleveland Cavaliers. So you trying to get all your family in, huh? But when it comes to Mark Jackson, keep mouth shut, huh? Keep mouth shut, huh? Hey, y'all bunch of fanboys. I'm trying, y'all don't want to build. Y'all don't want to build no team. You want to build a team around LeBron. And I don't want people to say, "Oh, you hate LeBron. You hate LeBron James." Yo, get off the knapsack, all right? What the Lakers should do, they should turn. They say to just tear everything up and start over again. The way how LeBron really acted this year is despicable. But this the same Deontay Jones got the nerve to disrespect a NBA legend top 50 player, playing 2 championships, be on countless all-star appearances, the great Walt Clyde Frazier. But see, Deontay Jones, you still want to be on that. You still want to be on that knapsack, don't you? If you think about it, it wasn't for LeBron, you wouldn't even get the job that you're doing right now. Splinter Boy and others. Because you wasn't really all that good in the NBA. Let's be honest. You gotta be a little When a good player come at you, you can't even hold him. But see what you're trying to bring your people from Cleveland. You think you slick, but you're not slick. The Grinder Reaper knows. Grinder Reaper see things. So the players, if you hear me, the free agents, stay away from LA. Because they just what they trying to do, they trying to make things easy for LeBron. Not you. See, these fanboys still want to carry LeBron suitcases. And again, LeBron is an all-time great. There's no ifs and buts about it. He is. Deontay Jones, man, you got to get off the knapsack, yo. Stand up being the man for a change. And the rest of your fanboys, hey, they are good. They are great players in the NBA too. Wow. Get off it. And some of your commentators too. Get off it. If you can't commentate a story right, shut up. Ghost.